can I go next topics? Because this very thing I have told many times, but today's negative thinking and positive thinking I never uttered in my any classes previously. That is why I take very much interest with this very fact.
ভালো লাগছে না এটা
This
হ্যাঁ
fact
হ্যাঁ
is very much
ওই
interesting
ছোট্টই ভালো গো
regarding
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
আচ্ছা এদেরকে আনমিউট করে দিন অথবা ব্লক করে দিন, এরা কথা বলছে অথচ আলোচনায় রয়েছে। তাহলে নেগেটিভ থিঙ্কিং এবং পজিটিভ থিঙ্কিং ইউ শুড নো very clearly, as because sometimes you also
উপর
think negatively. How?
কাল দেবে
Chamber today there is no patient. If tomorrow there is, yesterday there is no patient. If tomorrow there will be no patient, what can I do? What will be the children's regarding fooding or tuition fees or everything? By this thinking, no sleep at night, no proper appetite. See what is going on? But if you are healthy in all respect, with the help of the treatment of real homeopathy, that time you must think, okay, maybe 2-3 days may not, the patient may not come. After that, patient must come. As because so many patients treated by me, they are very much healthy now. They are okay in all respect. Even COVID patient also. So patient must come. Something wrong is there. That is why 3 days there is no patient. But before that, so many patients it was. But if you are not healthy, you must think that I am thinking patient will not come to me. I have to find out another profession like LIC agencies or another business. I have to seek. See what type of negative thinking from it has come. It has come from predominant true disease. What you are having means you are not treated yourself properly. That is why that very negative thinking created in you so many adverse situations like anorexia, means loss of appetite, sleeplessness at night, hypertension, blood pressure may high, gradually blood sugar may high, and so many problems, even kidney problem, chronic renal failure. It may also happen a tumor has produced. Later on, it was tested cancerous. So origin is what? Origin is negative thinking. So negative thinking is very much important. You please mind it. No, if there is negative thinking in you, any time, any problem may arise, even cancer, even COVID. So you treat yourself, maybe your family member, maybe your patient. So I have arranged previously, I had arranged previously a seminar on consciousness. Actually, negative thinking, what is negative thinking? Another name of negative thinking is consciousness. And what is the name of the positive thinking? Its another name is freedom. There is one chapter I have written in magazine. It is also you can see in the book also, in my magazine also, book also. The chapter is consciousness versus freedom. So one thing you must clear now what it is. It is negative thinking means it is consciousness. And Kant very beautifully write in a chapter, Disordered Fast in Vital Force, what it is written? In Organon, aphorism 1, Master Samuel Hahnemann has written, the physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick. In the aphorism first, Organon of Medicine. But Kant has uttered like this type of sentence. It is written in the chapter that is Disordered Fast in Vital Force. What he has written? He has written, the physician's only duty is to give the freedom. To give the freedom. What it means? From consciousness, patient will come to you, or you yourself. You are having so many negative thinking, that means consciousness, and you have to take medicine yourself, or you have to give your patient, your family members, what medicine you give, you consider that very consciousness. And if your medicine is right, your procedure of treatment is right, that very patient must overcome the state of consciousness, and that individual must reach to the state of freedom. So, freedom is free from disease state. Consciousness is diseased state. Consciousness is from negative thinking. Freedom is from positive thinking. So, the procedure of treatment, what will be the procedure? Procedure of treatment will be, you have to select medicine. You have to administer medicine for that very consciousness. And we can find out this the origin of this very consciousness. Which two diseases is responsible? Psoriatic miasm, seborrheic miasm, psychotic miasm, tubercular diathesis, post-trauma syndrome, post-TB syndrome, all these things. So, let us try with this real homeopathy, how we can easily send a conscious individual to the state of freedom. And that is real homeopathy. This very word also Kant mentioned, that the physician's duty is to reach the patient. What? The freedom, the state of freedom from a state of consciousness. So a state of consciousness is negative thinking, and a state of freedom is positive thinking. And a state of consciousness is from predominant disease state, and a state of freedom is recessive disease state, not free from disease, a recessive disease state. How it is being recessive? It is by the treatment of real homeopathy. So this is the way we can proceed with COVID patient, with non-COVID patient, with cancerous individual, with anything. But our aim is one. What it is? To reach each and every individual to reach, or better to say, to send the diseased individual, that is conscious individual, to the state of freedom. I think this consciousness, negative thinking, freedom, positive thinking, this new idea, you should think about this after today's class. And it will help you to reach the idea of real homeopathy. This very word also used by the by the teacher, by the master, James Tyler Kent also. So let us try with this very divine idea, which is God gifted, that is the homeopathy. I think today it is enough for 1 week to think about this, how we can proceed, how we should proceed, how we should proceed. Sir Gautam Babu. Hello.
Thank you so much, sir.
So we can close today's session.